Hello, so today we are tasked to make a circuit of a decade counter that will count only from 0 to 9. Okay, so according to the instruction, we will only use the first is the button, second is the flip-flop circuit, the third one is the 4-bit binary decoder, and the last one is the 7 segment decoder. Okay, so we will going to create the circuit using the Bluetooth. Okay, so let us start. Okay, so to minimize our time, I already wrote the equation for A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so I come up with this equation using the K mapping. Okay, so by the way, this following is the requirements for us to make the circuit. So first we have here the 7-segment cathode. This one is the color red. The 74HC74 is the flip-flop. 74S132 is the NAND gate. 4071 is the 2-input OR gate. 4072 is the 4-input OR gate. 4075 the 3-input OR gate. 4082 the 4-input AND gate. 7404 is the inverter. 7408 is the 2-input AND gate. 7411 is the 3-input AND gate, the button, and the last one is the logic state. Okay, so the first thing that I will make is the flip-flop circuit. Okay, so we will use the flip-flop. Okay, so let us draw, or let us make the flip-flop circuit. Okay, so we're going to make or to have this 4 flip-flop because we have 4 inputs. Okay. Okay, so by the way, this one is our A and this one B, C, D. Okay, so let us connect this to here. Okay. And this one. Wait, it's wrong. Okay, wrong. And here. Same process. Okay, so here. So next is we need a button. Okay, so let us move this one. We need a button. Let's place the button here. Okay, so in order for it to operate, so we need a voltage. So we need a DC lock, and it is and it will be the one to give a voltage here. Let's connect this one here. Okay. So next is we will going to create the 4-bit binary decoder. Okay, so let us follow the equation. Okay, so first is we'll go to the component and we'll find the logic state. So first is we will use the logic state, but later on we will replace this one by our flip-flop. Okay, so let us move this one here. Okay, so so rotate clockwise. You can copy here to clipboard to para mas madali. Okay, so paste. Okay. Okay. So next is we need an inverter. So where is our inverter? Here. Okay, so let us rotate this one clockwise. Remove. Copy to clipboard. Then paste to clipboard. Paste. And paste. Okay, so let us connect this one here. Okay, so let us make a wire, a long wire. Here. Okay, same process. Okay, so save it here. Okay, so let us perform the equation A first. So we have here the A plus C plus B prime D prime plus B D. Okay, so we need to have 4 input OR gate. Okay, 4 input OR gate. Okay, so A. So we can directly connect the A here. Okay, so C. Next is the C. So by the way, this wait, let us make the label here. Okay, 0.2. Okay, so A, B, C, and the D. Okay, and let us show this one here. A, the B, the C, and the D. Okay, so let us proceed. Okay, so B prime, D prime. So we need 2 input AND gate. And also here 2 input AND gate. Input and gate. Okay, so wait, B prime, D prime. Okay, so B prime, D prime. Okay, so in this part, this is the A prime, this is the B prime, C prime, and this is the D prime. Okay, so let us proceed for BD. And let us connect this one here. Okay, so let us proceed to equation B. Okay, so the B prime plus C prime, D prime plus CB. Okay, so we need 3 input OR gate. 4075. Okay, so let us align this one. The first is the B prime. Okay, so B prime. C prime, D prime, C and CD. This. The C prime, D prime. C prime, D prime, and CD. D, CD. Okay, so connect this one here. The same process, connect this here. Okay, so let us proceed to equation C. The C prime plus D plus B. Okay, so we also need 3 input OR gate. 0.0075. Okay. So, wait. C prime D B. Okay, so C prime D and B. Okay, so let us extend this wire here. Okay, so let us proceed to equation D. A plus B prime D prime plus B C plus B prime C plus C D prime plus B C prime D. Okay, so first we will use two input OR gate. Okay, this one, three input OR gate. And the first is A. You can connect directly the A here. Next is the B prime D prime. Okay, so we need two input AND gate. Okay, so is this B prime D prime. B prime D wait. B prime D prime. Okay, so connect this one here. So next we need three input OR gate. And we need two input AND gate and three input AND gate for B prime C plus CD prime plus BC prime. Okay, so two input AND gate. Okay. Two input AND gate. So 1, 2, 3, and three input here. The three input AND gate. Okay, so the B prime C. The B prime C. Next is the CD prime. C D prime. Next is the BC prime D. BC prime D. B C prime D. Okay, so let us connect this one here. Okay, so we need two input OR gate to connect this one because it is one equation only. Let's connect this one. Okay, so this is the equation for D. Okay, so let us proceed to equation for E. Okay, so let us extend the wire again. Okay, so equation for E. Okay, so we need two input OR gate. Where is the two input OR gate here? Okay, so we need two input AND gate here. Okay, so let us connect B prime D prime. B prime D prime. Wait, call error. So